friends! Something super cool is happening soon! Subscribe now for the fun ride! It's just for you! Look! The yellow car waits patiently by the traffic light! That's right! Only go when the green light is on!
Running red lights is not allowed.
Stop. Caught me.
Hey, you! Hey!
Oh no! Not even the police can catch that naughty red truck! Uh-oh! The farm animals got scared and ran away!
I'm sorry. I'm chasing the criminal.
That's super dangerous! We must stop him! Look here! There's a construction site, and the workers don't know what's going on!
Oh, come on!
Ha ha ha! Finally, that naughty red truck has no way to escape now!
Yeah! Yahoo! Hey!
Ha ha! Serve you right, naughty red truck!
Help me!
I'm sorry. Help me, please.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Freeze!
Remember, friends, never run the red light!
Hi! Don't forget to like and subscribe. The cars are still sleeping inside the cave. Oh no! Is the volcano about to erupt?
Huh?
What's going on? Nothing at all. Just go back to sleep. Red McQueen wakes up, looks around, then goes back to sleep. Both yellow and red cars wake up and rush outside.
Probably nothing. Back to sleep.
The volcano's erupting so violently.
Oh no!
OMG, this is bad.
Help me, help me.
OMG! OMG! What's this? Rocks are blocking the tunnel. Lava's getting close. The blue car's still in there. What now? What should we do? Ah, I know. Okay, let's go.
Yahoo!
There's a tunnel. What are they doing?
Yay! Let's go! Let's save the green car!
Oh my god, they turned into monster trucks. The red truck moves rocks to block lava. Yellow car's rescuing the blue one.
I can't!
Let me help you.
Yeah!
Yahoo, thank you very much.
We need to block the lava, quick.
Okay, let's go!
Thank goodness blue car's safe, but it's still tense. Look, they're stopping the lava together. We can't do it alone, but together we can overcome anything. Finally, they stop the lava. Unity helps us overcome anything.
You all did very well. Remember, unity and teamwork are the strengths that help us overcome any challenge.
What that super mysterious truck is up to in the middle of the night? Subscribe for the scoop. Let's find out together. It dropped a bomb right on the street. Uh-oh, get away quickly.
Oh no!
Check it out. The street's totally busted up. It's way trickier to cross now. Watch your step.
Oh my god!
Dark clouds loom over the city. We've got to figure out how to fix this street situation. Oh no! The rain has made the ground softer and messier. The school bus is rolling in, totally unaware of the impending danger.
Oh no, it's dangerous. Be careful, be careful.
The messy ground swallowed up the school bus. It's officially stuck in the mud. Hold on, folks. More cars are heading our way. Danger alert.
Help me!
There's an emergency.
Let's go.
Let me help you.
Yeah! Thank you!
We must fix the road.
Okay!
All right, team. First things first. Let's scoop up that dirt and fix the messy hole from the bomb drop.
Let's go.
Absolutely. Grab those rock-hard stones, too. Make sure it's as sturdy as can be. Ready, set, pour. Let's fill up that hole. Stack them up and reinforce our fix. This This street's gonna be tougher than ever! Hold up! We're not done yet! Time for some cement, team! Let's smooth it out nicely, too! Woohoo! Check it out! The street is back in action! Good as new!
Okay. Here we go, yo.
I'm bringing soil for everyone here.
We've been waiting for you for a long time.
Haha, I knew I was in demand.
Give us soil, please.
Huh?
Okay. My mission is accomplished.
Bye-bye.
I must go now, but...
What?
Nani?
I've run out of options.
Sorry, but we just had to remove the tracks to do this.
So what should we do?
Hey, I have an idea.
Huh?
Hey friend, what do you want?
Please help us. I thought it was something serious, but this is simple.
Ready. Go. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
1 hour later. Okay.
Hooray! I can go to work on time.
Thank you guys, and goodbye!
Good luck!
What do you want? By the way, could you help us finish this planter?
All right, let's do it!
Wonderful!
Thank you, guys. You've helped us a lot today.
It's nothing. I'm used to that guy bothering me. Okay, we're leaving now. We still have a lot of work to do.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh yeah! Hi, friend!
Oh my god. So lucky.
Huh?
What is it? Oh my god.
Help
My
me.
friend. Don't worry. I will help you.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Huh?
Help me!
Oh my god, what happened?
Help me!
Please.
Okay, wait a minute.
Avoid, avoid!
Oh my god.
Oh, my God.
Help me!
Help me!
Hope, let me help you.
Thank you.
Help me. Thank you.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
It's okay. Everything's fine.
Be careful when driving.
Don't worry. It's okay.
This is a lesson not to drive too fast.
Let's fix this road.
Let me.
Hello, hello.
Please come help me.
Okay, let's go. Please follow me.
Okay, okay. What?
What's going on?
Oh, what a pity.
Okay, let me help.
Hey, I'm done.
Okay, let me help.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Be careful, please.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, kids.
Yeah, so happy.
It's a lively day by the river. McQueen is playing ball near the edge, but that's a bit dangerous.
Oh no, a what? Oh no, stop please. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What? We come here.
Oh no! The bridge broke and the ambulance fell. We need to rescue him fast.
Help me, help me.
Okay.
Let we try. Thank you so much. We need a bridge to cross the river. Let me call for help.
Meanwhile, at the site, the trucks are working hard without a break.
Hey, hello. I need a lot of wood to build a bridge. Okay, come right here. Transport wood to the river over there.
The crane lifts big logs onto the truck. Wood is the main material for our bridge today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and helpful videos. Let's add more wood so the bridge is strong and safe.
Okay.
We come here. Hey, start building a bridge.
The Mini McQueens join in too. Every little hand helps.
Easy!
Let me help. Let's work hard.
We're starting with the main pillars, the most important part of the bridge.
Okay.
Make a strong bridge. Almost complete.
Just add the railings and it's done. Building a bridge takes care and teamwork.
Yeah, amazing. It's so beautiful. I'm so sorry. Okay, I will forgive. Let's go. Competition is fun but must be safe.